If I am audible, write in the chat box. I can see your chats. Yeah, Vanishka Rathore, good morning. Am I audible to you? Vanshika Rathore, am I audible? Say yes or no. Okay. Now I am sharing a screen. In this screen, you see that there are 5 questions which we have to do. Question number 5 to 10. The previous questions I had sent you through YouTube introductory video, and you have understood that also. And these questions are also based on the same line. Okay. We have to write down. First question is, write the following decimal as fractions and reduce them to the lowest form. So today's date is 27/8/2020, and you belong to 6B, and we are doing exercise 8.1, question number 5 to 10 we will do. In question number 5, we will see that we have to write the decimal in terms of fraction. So question number 5A, 0.6 you will write as 6/10, and you have to reduce it. So these are even numbers. So you can cut this and this with 2. This will become 3/5. Question number B, 5B, 2.5 will be 25/10, and both are divisible by 5. So it will become 5/2. Now question number C, 1.0 means 10/10 means equal to 1 only. D, 3.8 means 38/10. Both are divisible by 2. So it will be equal to 19/5. Question number E, 13.7 will be 137/10, and they are not divisible because they are not even numbers. Numerator and denominator are not even numbers, so it will remain like that only. Next is F. Question number F, 21.2 will be 212/10, and these are even numbers. So if you divide this by 2, it will become how much? 106, isn't it? Divide by 5. And question number G, question number G will be 6.4, can be written as 64/10, and both are even numbers. So it will become 32/5. Cut by 2. Now question number 6 we will do. Question number 6. A, 2 mm We have to write in decimals. You have to write this as centimeter using decimals. So it will be equal to 2 by 10 centimeter, or it will be equal to 0.2 centimeter. B, 30 mm will be 30 by 10 centimeter. It will be equal to 3 centimeter. C, 116 millimeter will be equal to 116 by 10 equal to 11.6 centimeter. D, 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter converted as 4.2 centimeter. E, 162 mm can now be written as 16.2 centimeter. F, 83 mm is equal to 8.3 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll do question number 7. In question number 7, between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given number lines lying? Okay. So see here in this number line, 0.8 will lie here. A. Point B will lie after 5, 1 point here, 5.1. This will be B. 2.6 will be after 2.5. Between 2 and 3, 2.6 will be there here. C. 6.4, just 1 point behind or before 6.5. So it will be 6.4. D. 9.1, just 1 point after 9 will be E. And 11, and after that 4.9 is there. F is 4.9. So 4.9 will be just before 5, 4.9 will be there. Now why so? It is because if you draw a number line like this, and there are 12 points, so many points if I draw, then I will not be able to draw the points in between. So I have taken this number line for making you understand. Let me take 3 points. This is 1 or 0. Let this be 1. Let this be 2. So between 0 and 1, the points which are there are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and this will be 1. So this point will be 0.1, this will be 0.2, this will be 0.3, this will be 0.4, this will be 0.5. Like that, there are 10 divisions. So that is why 0.8 will be here. This will be 0.9, this will be 0.8. Similarly, 2.6 will be after 2, and say if 3 is here,
वीडियो ऑफ हो गया। अच्छा नहीं, वीडियो ऑफ है, वीडियो ऑफ है।
हाँ, तो हमारे स्कूल में भी क्या है, फायर अलार्म लगा हुआ है। ठीक है, तो अभी एक ड्रिल था, सरप्राइज ड्रिल, जिसमें एक सायरन बजा था, तो हमें अलर्ट होना था। इसलिए मैं 1 सेकंड के लिए चला गया था। नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 करें।
फायर
शो,
का मतलब क्या होता है?
कौन पूछा? Who asked me this question? थोड़ा लाउड होकर पूछो जो भी है, or you can write in chat box also. I can answer. I can see your chat box. All right. Now question number 8 we will do. Show the following on the number line. अब हमें number line draw करके show करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है? Okay. It is not fire dream. It is fire alarm. Fire alarm is a device which makes people alert about any emergency situation related to fire. Now we'll solve question number 8. Question number 8 we will do now. Show the following numbers on the number line. 0.2,
अलर्ट का मतलब बताओ।
0.2 कहाँ पे होगा? 0.2 का 0 और 1 के बीच में। कैसे? फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो होगा वो होगा 0.1, सेकेंड पॉइंट जो होगा वो होगा 0.2, थर्ड पॉइंट जो होगा 0.3, फिर 0.4, 0.5, ऐसे करते 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 यहाँ पे होगा 0.9 और ये 1.0। ठीक है, तो हमें क्या दिखाना है? 0.2 दिखाना है। तो ए ये हो गया 0.2, है ना? इन यू हैव टू यूज स्केल। ओके, यू हैव टू use scale and make equal distance. Now next is 1.9. 1.9 1 और 2 के बीच में लाई करेगा, तो 1 और 2 के बीच में एकदम 1.5 बीचों बीच। 1.5 के बाद 1.4, 1.5 और 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9। 1.9 यहाँ पे होगा। This will be equal to B. Then C is 1.1. 1.1 will be after 1. This will be 1.1. And 2.5 will be between 2 and 3. Just in between it will be 2.5. एकदम बीच में, है ना? See your scale, you will understand. Next is write the decimal numbers presented by points A, B, C, D. Write the decimal points. Write the decimal numbers presented by the points A, B, C, D. A क्या है? देखो 0.8 है यहाँ पे, है ना? ये क्या है? 1 से जस्ट पहले वाला 0.9, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा A will be equal to 0.8। B कितना होगा? ये 1 है, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, this will be 1.3। C कितना होगा? ये 2 है, 2.1, 2.2। और D क्या होगा? 3 के जस्ट पहले है, तो यानी कि 2.9। काउंट करके देख लो, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3। ठीक है, कैसे होता है? देखो 2.9 के बाद एक पॉइंट ऐड करेंगे, तो 9 and 1 10, 0 1 will come over here and then 3 and this decimal will come here. Next is Ramesh's notebook is 9 centimeter and 5 millimeter. What is its length in centimeter? सेंटीमीटर में निकालना है। ठीक है, तो 10 करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 A, 9 centimeter plus 5 millimeter means 9 centimeter plus 5 by 10 centimeter will be equal to 9 centimeter plus 0.5 centimeter will be equal to 9.5 centimeter. Next is question number 10B. Length of a young gram plant. एक चने का पौधा है, ठीक है, तो लेंथ कितना है उसका? लेंथ इज 65 mm. तो इन सेंटीमीटर हाउ मच इट विल बिकम? 65 by 10 centimeter will be equal to 6.5 centimeter. with this chapter gets over, means this exercise gets over, sorry, and then we will be solving exercise 8.2 in our next class. Okay, bye for today everyone.
Hi, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye everyone.